Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Axie Infinity Axie genetics breakdown. In this tutorial, we will delve into the world of Axie genetics, exploring its significance and how it affects gameplay. First, it is essential to understand what Axie Infinity is. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Each Axie has unique characteristics, which are determined by its genetic makeup. The genetic breakdown of an Axie is crucial as it influences its stats, appearance, and battle performance. There are four main components that make up an Axie's genetic profile: body parts, genes, dominant and recessive traits, and breed type. Body parts include eyes, ears, mouth, horn, back, and tail, each contributing to the Axie's overall stats. Genes determine the probability of an Axie inheriting specific traits from its parents. Dominant and recessive traits refer to the way genes are expressed, with dominant traits taking precedence over recessive ones. Breed type affects an Axie's base stats and determines its strengths and weaknesses. Understanding Axie genetics is vital for successful breeding and battling. By analyzing an Axie's genetic profile, players can predict its potential, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions when breeding. This knowledge also helps players to create a well-rounded team, maximizing their chances of winning battles. To get the most out of Axie genetics, it is essential to keep track of your Axie's genetic profiles, analyze their strengths and weaknesses, and adjust your breeding strategy accordingly. You should also stay up to date with the latest game updates, as changes to the genetic system can impact gameplay. In conclusion, mastering Axie Infinity Axie genetics breakdown is critical for success in the game. By grasping the key concepts and applying best practices, you can improve your breeding and battling skills, giving you a competitive edge in the world of Axie Infinity.